engineered wood's not the best thing you put in your house, but like, I guess it's something you could at least look at. And the reason I say that is it gives you the wood look that people want, okay? And so it's got the character and the shadow lines and the look of real wood, which is what most people have in their house in Johnson, Jackson County and around Kansas City. So you can go back with that exact same look. The downside though is like it's still wood, and wood's gonna do what wood's always done. And so it's still highly susceptible to woodpeckers, fire, moisture. Like if you look at the install instructions for engineered wood, you gotta leave the butt joints 3/16 of an inch apart because their board's gonna expand and contract with weather. Well, paint hates to move. So the more paint moves, you're gonna have to repaint it. It's not gonna last long. The other thing too is that like, one of the pros I guess is they come in longer lengths. They come in 16-foot long lengths. But the downside is you gotta leave those gaps and constantly. So like, yes, it'd be great if you have less seams. So you probably have 20% less seams, but they're significantly more noticeable and they're gonna move and caulk's gonna fail. And so it's not a great look there. And so you do get the look and character of wood, but it's also gonna perform exactly like wood does. So it's susceptible to moisture and fire and insects and woodpeckers. And there's a ton of people who have major woodpecker issues. So again, there are some pros that gives you the look you want, but again, it's normally more expensive than fiber cement. It's a little easier for the installer. And so I've heard people say, well, the other contractors say it's easier for guys to install. Why would you care if you're the homeowner? And so you wouldn't put you wouldn't sell for laminate countertops in your house because it's easier for the installer versus granite or marble. You wouldn't settle for that. So why would you settle for engineered wood on your house? Because it's slightly easier for the installer. Like, get the best thing for you, Mr. and Mrs. Homeowner. Don't worry about making the guy's life easier who's installing the product.